Simply connect to this website, grab your affiliate link, then use all of these traffic sources. I did it. You can do the same. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video because today I'm going to show you how you can make $400 every day with this free app. This doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. And if you're a maximalist like I am, then make sure to watch the whole video with focus because I'm going to share a few small secret steps that will maximize your profit. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step, I need you guys to connect to this website here called vidIQ.com. And this you might have heard about either from some of my previous videos or otherwise. But for those of you who don't know what this is, as is said right over here, this helps you boost your YouTube videos. And this is one of the most popular tools used for that purpose because it's so effective. Now, with that said, this isn't a place to buy YouTube views. vidIQ instead helps you get more views by adding the right tags to the videos you upload, for example, and many other methods. All the views generated with this are 100% real. With that said, we won't be creating any videos, so don't worry, I'm not gonna tell you to pay vidIQ to get views or whatever. We will instead want to promote this as an affiliate. And I have a new and recently released tool to help you get a traffic to that link so you can make a lot of money passively. So please stay tuned and keep watching so you don't miss out on it. In any case, what you need to do on here is scroll down until you reach the very bottom of the page, and there you will need to click on this link which is entitled Affiliates. Now here they go over 7 reasons to become an affiliate, and this is a good read, but I'll leave that up to you. The thing we are interested in right now are these affiliate levels. So there are 3 affiliate levels right now, but there's a 4th one which we will come to later. Anyhow, when you're at the first level, you will get 15% commissions. On the second level, you will receive 20% commissions, and on the third, you receive 25%. What influences the level you are is how many people you have referred to vidIQ. If you have referred between 1 and 10, it's 15% commissions, and if you refer more than 50 people, it is 25%. Now, using the traffic that I've got for you, you are gonna be easily earning 25% commissions, so pay close attention. And now to sign up to vidIQ's affiliate program, you just need to click right here, and then on the next page, they'll ask you to log in, and since you don't have an account, you wanna click on sign up here. From there, all you need to do is enter in your email address and password in order to create your brand new account. Remember to enter a valid email address because they're gonna send you a verification link and you need to click on it in order to start using your account. And of course, alternatively, you can sign up with Google and that is much faster. And once you log in, they're gonna ask of you to create your referral link. And this is mine, as you can see. Just click on this. And now on the dashboard, you will be presented with a bunch of info on how much money you've made, how many clicks you've gotten thus far, and much more. Now, remember the 4th level I mentioned before? Well, here it is. As you can see, you will earn 50% commissions if you get over 300 people to pay vidIQ, and that is just insane amount. vidIQ has one of the highest paying affiliate programs out there, and this is after all why we want to promote this website in the first place. Anyhow, now that you have your account, just before I show you where and how to get people to click on your link, I want to show you how much money you will be making per sign up. Now, as you can see, vidIQ has these 3 paid plans which cost $7, $40, and $400. And this one, which is recommended, is also the most popular one, and it's costing $40 a month. Now, just think about this. Since you can get up to 50% commissions and most people go for this boost plan, that means if you refer just 100 people, and let's say for simplicity's sake they all go for this plan, that means you would make $2,000 just like that in passive income. So as you can see, this does have big potential, and the fact that vidIQ increases views also means that people will tend to stick around if it works out for them. And if someone you referred here keeps paying them for a few months, that means you could potentially be making money from that same customer for months afterwards, which in turn means you don't need too many signups to earn a lot of money. With all of that said, guys, now that you have your account and you have a rough idea of how much money you'll be making and how all this works, let me show you 2 methods with which you can get customers. And for the second step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to YouTube.com. And this is a great traffic source, and what you will need to do is search for stuff like how to get views on YouTube. And as you can see, I'm using an extension called TubeBuddy, and this shows me that search volume for this keyword is very good. And now you will just want to open some of those videos, and here's why YouTube is a good traffic source for us. Every single person who commented on these videos are our potential customers. Because why else would they watch a video to grow on YouTube if they don't want to start a YouTube channel of their own? This means there's a great chance that some of these people in the comments will be interested in vidIQ. Now, what you want to do first is click on the sort by section over here and click on the newest first. And that is because you don't want to contact people who have left a comment too long ago. And for example, this one, I just started a channel, got 10 views. Can a fellow new content creator here help me get views? And now what we're just gonna do is click on their username, and this person does have some videos, which means he will get some value out of vidIQ and might be interested in trying it out. And so to contact this person, all I need to do is go over to the About section over here and find their email. Then I will contact them via their email and go over all vidIQ's features and leave my affiliate link in that email. You can say stuff like, this is a fantastic tool to grow your YouTube channel. It's used by thousands upon thousands of people all around the world, and I highly recommend you check it out if you want to grow your channel and get real views. You should just say something along those lines to try and convince them to at least give vidIQ a try. Now, something of note is that not everyone will have an email address visible where you can contact them, and so that's a bit of a flaw with this method, but you can nevertheless still reach many people as there are literally hundreds of new comments being posted daily on just a couple of these videos. With that said, though, YouTube is not the only way to get traffic, and that leads us to the next step. And the third step of our method today involves Reddit.com. As we all know, Reddit is a worldwide forum with lots of traffic, and people here gather and ask many questions in thousands of categories. And we're gonna use that traffic because it will help us make plenty of money. You would have to simply create new account here if you don't already have one, and then just search for some questions like we did on YouTube. So for example, you can just type in views YouTube, and as you can see, plenty of people asking these and similar questions. So this means that we're on the right place. And look at this one, for example. What's the secret to more views YouTube? And here you would just have to simply answer all of these questions and write something along the lines of, here's a great tool to help you in getting your views. Check it out as it worked for me. And in the end, you would paste your affiliate link, which you got from vidIQ, And that's it. The thing with Reddit is that you would only have to do this once for every question because it will be there forever. You don't have to come back to it every once in a while because the discussion stays there forever. And whenever someone new comes to search for these exact questions, they will bump onto your answer and click on that link. So this is a very great source of traffic and it has the power of making you passive income, which is the best income there is. So as you can see, completely beginner friendly method and it doesn't require any particular skill from you, only your spare time. And we all have some spare time. The only difference is how we use it. If you just sit at home, scroll Instagram or Facebook, you won't earn any money. That's why I want to help you guys with these super simple methods which work for me, and I'm sure it will work for you as well as long as you take some action. That being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and I will see you in the next one.